Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to convert a video file to an audio file in VLC Media Player. So this is the video I'm going to work with. Let's open this video in VLC Media Player. Okay, so this is the video I want to convert to just audio. Now you have to navigate to Media, then click on Convert/Save. Then under File Selection, click on the button Add. Then select the same video. So this is my video from the desktop. Click Open. And then here below, you see Convert/Save. So just click on this little arrow and then select Convert. Now in this window, we just need to make sure that the profile is selected to audio-MP3. And then select the destination. So in this case, I'm just going to save the file on the desktop and rename it to audio. Now click Save, Start. And if you don't see audio file yet, just make sure you click the play button in VLC Player. Now the conversion should be done. And this is our audio file. Now if I double click, that's our converted video into audio. So this was our original file in MP4, and this is our converted file in MP3 now. And that's it, guys. I hope this was useful. So please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial.